Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 9 of 10, Bar Globe. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name Bar Globes. Store it in c09exr4 benchwise folder. Say OK. Now create the sketch for revolve feature. Select YSR play. Circle of diameter 12 mm. Increase the dimension text file size. A vertical line at a distance of 4.5 mm. Select mirror, select the vertical line with respect to the vertical axis, mirror it. Select trim, close the profile of the sketch, finish the sketch, select revolve to specify the vector, select the line 3 of sketch, say OK. Now create a hole. Select simple hole. Enter the diameter 4 mm. To specify the point, select the circle center. Select through body as the depth limit. Select subtract from the Boolean operation. Say OK. Now select chamfer tool. Enter the distance 1 mm and the angle 60 degree. And select this edge. Say OK. Now hide the sketch. Right click, orient wave to trimetry. Save this file. File, close all parts. This completes Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 9 of 10, Bar Globes.